My name is Graham Virgo. I'm Professor of English Private Law in the Faculty of Law at the University of Cambridge.
PTERAinbow.
And I'm going to consider the question why you should study law if you don't want to become a lawyer. A lot of people who study law at university do so because they want to become practicing lawyers, whether barristers or solicitors. But it isn't necessary to read law at university to become a practicing lawyer. Equally, studying law at university is a legitimate subject for academic study, even if you definitely don't want to become a lawyer or think that you may not become a practicing lawyer. That's because the study of law at university is not a vocational subject. It's an academic subject and an intellectual discipline. Even for those students who study law at university intending to become practicing lawyers, they're required to do additional vocational training to prepare them for working either as a barrister or as a solicitor. For them, the study of law at university by itself is not sufficient to train them to become lawyers. So why do such students study law at university?
PTERAinbow.
And why do others study law even if they don't want to become a lawyer? The answer is fairly similar in both cases. Namely, that studying law at university trains the student to think and to write logically and